Magandang umaga po, Pilipinas! Welcome po to Agri TV's Mad About Koi. My name is Mike Hernandez with...
Classy Hernandez of Carson Ponds Farm, Las Piñas.
So, friends in Koi, today, Glass is... Eto na yung summer. Talaga napakainit and we will share with you
really hot,
in this episode what to do for your koi to be able to cope up with this hot temperature. Glass, ano ba ang pwede natin sa kanilang ma-share para ang koi naman nila ay hindi masyadong mahirapan dito sa warm water adjustment na gagawin nila?
Well, kasi there's things you could do, especially if you have an existing pond already. So, the first thing that our practice is we put a shade over the pond, like partially. Kasi
ayaw po ninyong mainitan yung koi or malamigan ng mabilis.
Yeah.
Actually, the name of the game here is to be able to control yung temperature. Kaya po nila ang 30 degrees and a bit warmer than that, higher, or even 30 degrees or malamig pa po pag ang temperature ng pond water ninyo ay nag-fluctuate ng 1 degree. Ang equivalent po na sa koi nito ay 4 degrees. Yung paglalagay po ng shade sa koi pond ay isa sa madaling remedy upang ang water temperature nyo ay ma-maintain nyo sa ganong temperature. Now, dito sa ating Glass, we see a lot of friends in koi na naglalagay ng trapal, which is probably the least na pwede nyong option na isipin kasi meron pong orchid net. Orchid net, it comes in many shades.
Yes.
70% shaded, 50% shaded, or even 10% shaded. And what's good about orchid net is ang temperature po, pag umaangat ang hot air.
Hot water rises.
Even hot air.
Rises.
So lumalabas po sa atmosphere yung hot air at hindi naiipon sa bubong ng orchid net because sa trapal pwede pong maipon.
Yeah, so it gets hotter, di ba? Kung naiipon doon, parang may dome siya.
Parang may dome siya. Yeah. In our case dito, sa Kois and Ponds, para po medyo aesthetically pleasing naman, ang nilalagay po namin cover to protect the fish from the sun is bamboo slats.
Natural, aesthetically
so medyo
pretty.
Kailangan na nga i-replace dahil
it's
been some time, no? Put slats of bamboo there on top of the orchid net na instead of the orchid net ilalagay ninyo.
Yes.
So that's one tip, yung pong paglagay ng shade, ko-cover po ninyo ng shade ang inyong pond. Number 2, pwede po ninyong i-aerate pa yung pond nyo. And the way to aerate it is probably number 1, yung aerator, the standard aerator that we have, or you install a Tomigay shower. This shower does not only cool down the water, but it degasses the water. Natatanggal po yung hydrogen sulfide. That's why in the many ponds that we have here sa Kois and Ponds, 27 to be exact, all are 27 ponds except for this one in front of us. Ito lang ang walang shower. But all of them have Tomigay showers. 2 of them even have 2 showers to degas the water and also to cool down the water.
Some countries that we visited in Asia, they cannot, it's much warmer than us, so they can't help but have to make use of chillers. So us, like aerations, will be really, that's really the purpose of aeration. It's not really to add oxygen, it's to cool the water so that the oxygen level of your pond water increases because it's cooler. That's what it does.
So once yung temperature nyo ay stabilize na sa ganung mainit na situation, ano po ang pwede pa nating magawa para maibsan ang paghihirap o ang challenge na nasasuffer ng koi dahil umiinit ang tubig?
Yes. Please don't add ice. Because like once
this
melts,
is one don't. This is one don't that we highly recommend you don't do.
Yeah, it's really going very high. You've done everything, but please do not add ice.
Sige nga, Glass, bakit? Kasi pagka po tayo ay naglagay ng yelo o yung mga blocks ng ice, gusto natin palamigin yung tubig, it will make them feel better temporarily. Once na dissolve yung ice, babalik na naman po sa init, lamig.
Yes, and it's a fast change of water temperature once it melts.
So friends in Koi, we started with the prevention. Ito na po yung cure. And then, but to begin with, ano nga po ba ang talagang dapat natin gawin? I-review po ninyo lahat ng nirecommend namin sa inyo to make your water quality good para dito sa summer. Thank you so much, friends. Maraming salamat po for joining us today. I hope meron po kaming na-share sa inyo kung paano po i-address yung problema ng water fluctuation temperature. Umiinit na po ngayon. At paano pa po mapaganda ang inyong tubig. Pero on a side note, let's invite them on May
31, June 1, and June 2.
for the
Special Koi sale of Kois and Ponds. It's really a big sale that we're having.
That's it. Join us for next week and then itatakal pa po natin ang paano pag-construct ng maganda o maayos na koi pond para po ang mga water parameters na to ay ma-address natin ng mas maigi pa. My name is Mike Hernandez po with
Glass Hernandez of Kois and Ponds Formless Opinion.
dito lang po yan sa Agri TV. Mad About Koi. Kita-kits. Bye-bye.